Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will explore the reasons behind the increasing costs of smartphones. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of technology, manufacturing, and market trends to understand why smartphones are becoming more expensive. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all our latest content. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: why are smartphones getting expensive? As technology advances, it seems that the prices of smartphones keep climbing higher and higher. In this video, we will uncover the factors contributing to this trend and shed some light on the reasons behind these price hikes. Before we jump into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss any of our future videos. Alright, let's get started. In this segment, we will delve into the fascinating journey of smartphone technology and how it has evolved over the years. The first mobile phones were bulky and had limited functionalities, primarily designed for voice calls and text messaging. However, with the rapid advancements in technology, smartphones have transformed into powerful handheld computers. The history of smartphones can be traced back to the 1990s when devices like the IBM Simon Personal Communicator and Nokia Communicator introduced basic computing capabilities. These early smartphones had monochrome displays and physical keyboards. But it was in the late 2000s and early 2010s that we witnessed a revolution with the introduction of touchscreen smartphones. Apple's iPhone, released in 2007, changed the game entirely. The iPhone's intuitive interface and vast array of applications set new standards for the industry. As smartphone technology progressed, so did the consumer demands. People wanted faster processors, better cameras, larger and higher resolution displays, and longer-lasting batteries. Manufacturers had to keep up with these demands to stay competitive in the market. And this is where the research and development expenses come into play. Creating new technologies, improving existing features, and ensuring compatibility with various networks requires substantial investments. These costs are eventually passed on to the consumers, contributing to the overall price hike of smartphones. Moreover, as smartphones became an essential part of our lives, the expectations for them evolved. They are no longer just communication devices, they are our cameras, music players, gaming consoles, and even our fitness trackers. This multifunctionality calls for more powerful hardware and software, further driving up the costs. In addition to the hardware improvements, operating systems have also played a vital role in shaping the smartphone landscape. Companies like Google with Android and Apple with iOS constantly update and refine their operating systems, which demand significant resources for development and optimization. It's also important to note that as technology evolves, older components become obsolete and more expensive to produce, leading to an increase in overall manufacturing costs. To stay ahead in the market, manufacturers must use cutting-edge components, further contributing to the rise in smartphone prices. In conclusion, the evolution of smartphone technology has been a remarkable journey, transforming these devices from simple communication tools to powerful mini-computers. However, the pursuit of innovation and the costs associated with research and development have contributed to the increasing prices of smartphones. As consumers, it's essential to understand these factors and make informed choices while purchasing our next smartphone. Stay tuned as we explore more reasons behind the rising costs of smartphones in the next segments of this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on technology, trends, and everything in between. In this segment, we will explore how the pursuit of an enhanced user experience has become a significant factor contributing to the rising costs of smartphones. 1. Advanced processors. One of the primary elements that significantly impacts smartphone costs is the processor. As technology advances, consumers expect smartphones to have faster and more powerful processors. These processors not only enable smoother multitasking and faster app loading times but also support resource-intensive applications like gaming and video editing. To meet these demands, smartphone manufacturers invest heavily in research and development to create cutting-edge processors. The costs incurred in developing and producing these advanced processors inevitably get passed on to consumers. 2. High-resolution displays. Another crucial aspect that enhances the user experience is the display. Users now demand larger screens with higher resolutions, such as OLED and AMOLED displays, which offer vibrant colors and deep contrasts. Additionally, features like high refresh rates have become popular among gamers and content consumers alike. Integrating these high-quality displays into smartphones requires precision engineering and the use of premium materials, which drives up the manufacturing costs. 3. Camera innovations. Smartphone cameras have undergone remarkable advancements in recent years. Consumers expect smartphones to offer professional-grade photography and videography capabilities. As a result, manufacturers invest heavily in improving camera sensors, image stabilization technologies, and sophisticated AI-driven camera software. These innovations come with significant research and development expenses, pushing up the overall cost of smartphones. 4. Battery technology. Battery life is a critical factor in determining user satisfaction with smartphones. With more features and power-hungry applications, the demand for longer-lasting batteries has increased. Manufacturers invest in developing more efficient battery technologies and larger battery capacities. However, these advancements often lead to higher costs, as better battery technology can be expensive to implement. 5. Design and materials. Smartphone design has become a crucial differentiating factor in the market. Consumers appreciate sleek, stylish, and durable designs. Smartphone manufacturers invest in premium materials such as glass and metal to achieve a premium look and feel. Additionally, features like water and dust resistance add to the overall costs of the device. 6. Software development. User experience is not just about hardware, software plays a significant role as well. Manufacturers develop customized user interfaces and software features to enhance the overall user experience. These modifications require extensive software development efforts, adding to the expenses associated with smartphone production. 7. Research and development costs. Behind every new innovation in smartphone technology, there are extensive research and development efforts. Manufacturers invest heavily in exploring new technologies, conducting feasibility studies, and prototyping. While some innovations may not make it to the final product, the costs incurred during this phase are ultimately borne by the consumers. In conclusion, the pursuit of an enhanced user experience is a driving force behind the increasing costs of smartphones. Consumers' demands for better processors, displays, cameras, batteries, and design elements lead manufacturers to invest heavily in research, development, and premium materials. As a result, the constant drive for innovation and improved user experiences contributes to the rising prices of smartphones in the market. In this segment, we will delve into the 5G revolution and its impact on the rising costs of smartphones. 5G, short for the fifth generation of wireless technology, is the latest standard for mobile networks, promising faster data speeds, lower latency, and improved network reliability. It represents a significant leap forward from its predecessor, 4G, and has the potential to revolutionize the way we use smartphones and other connected devices. The promise of 5G. We'll start by exploring the promises of 5G technology. With speeds up to 100 times faster than 4G, 5G has the potential to enhance mobile experiences in ways we've never seen before. High-definition video streaming, seamless cloud gaming, real-time augmented reality, and autonomous vehicles are just a few examples of the applications that can benefit from the increased data transfer rates and lower latency offered by 5G networks. Integration challenges. However, implementing 5G into smartphones is no easy task. The technology requires new and more complex components, including specialized modems and antennas, to support the higher frequency bands used by 5G networks. These components take up valuable space inside the device, often requiring design modifications and engineering expertise, which adds to the manufacturing costs. Cost of licensing. Another aspect to consider is the cost of licensing the 5G technology itself. Companies that develop and hold essential patents related to 5G technology charge licensing fees to smartphone manufacturers. These fees can be substantial, and they contribute to the overall cost of producing 5G-capable smartphones. Infrastructure development. The rollout of 5G networks requires significant investment in infrastructure. Telecommunication companies need to deploy a dense network of small cells and base stations to provide seamless coverage and support the high-speed capabilities of 5G. These infrastructure investments are ultimately factored into the pricing of smartphones that are 5G enabled. Consumer demand. As 5G networks expand and become more widely available, consumer demand for 5G-capable smartphones increases. With the growing popularity of 5G and the desire to experience its benefits, smartphone manufacturers are under pressure to offer more 5G models across their product lines. This demand can drive up the cost of 5G smartphones due to higher demand for the specialized components and technologies required for 5G connectivity. Transition period. We'll also discuss the transitional phase from 4G to 5G. During this period, manufacturers may need to produce both 4G and 5G smartphones simultaneously, leading to additional complexities and costs in the supply chain. In conclusion, while 5G technology holds great promise for transforming our digital experiences, its integration into smartphones comes with challenges and increased costs for manufacturers. As 5G technology continues to mature and becomes more widespread, we can expect the costs associated with 5G smartphones to decrease over time. Nonetheless, the benefits of 5G and its potential to revolutionize how we use smartphones make it a significant driver behind the increasing prices of these devices in the current market. In this segment, we will explore the intricate world of the smartphone supply chain and the role of raw materials in driving up the costs of these devices. Complex supply chain. The production of a smartphone involves a vast and intricate supply chain that spans multiple countries and involves numerous suppliers. From the assembly of the device to the sourcing of individual components, each step contributes to the overall cost. Manufacturers often work with various suppliers for different parts like processors, displays, batteries, cameras, and more. Any disruption or delay in the supply chain can result in increased costs due to the need for alternative sources or expedited shipping. Rare and precious materials. Smartphones are packed with advanced technologies, and many of these technologies rely on rare and precious materials. For instance, some processors use rare earth metals like neodymium, dysprosium, and tantalum. These materials are not only expensive, but their extraction and refinement processes can also be environmentally challenging. The costs associated with acquiring such materials and adhering to responsible sourcing practices are passed on to the end consumers. Display technology. The display is one of the most crucial components of a smartphone. Manufacturers strive to offer high-quality displays with better resolutions, refresh rates, and color accuracy. Advanced display technologies like OLED, organic light-emitting diode, or AMOLED, active matrix organic light-emitting diode, come at a premium price, but they provide superior visual experiences. These factors, along with the continuous push for thinner and more flexible displays, contribute to the rising costs. Battery technology. Battery technology is another area where constant innovation is happening. Consumers expect smartphones to have longer battery life while being able to charge faster. Manufacturers invest in research and development to create more efficient and powerful batteries. Additionally, ensuring the safety and compliance of these batteries adds to the expenses. Quality control and testing. To ensure that each smartphone meets the highest standards of quality, extensive testing is conducted during and after the production process. defective units must be identified and removed, which adds to the cost. Manufacturers invest in quality control measures to minimize the risk of recalls and returns, which can be expensive and damage brand reputation. Global shipping and tariffs. Smartphones are manufactured in one part of the world and often sold in another. International shipping and import tariffs can significantly impact the final cost of the device. Companies have to account for these additional expenses, and sometimes these costs can fluctuate based on trade agreements and geopolitical factors. In summary, the supply chain for smartphones is a highly complex ecosystem, involving numerous suppliers, materials, and logistical challenges. The use of rare and advanced materials, coupled with extensive testing and quality control measures, all contribute to the ever-increasing costs of smartphones. As technology continues to advance, manufacturers face the ongoing challenge of balancing innovation with affordability for consumers. In this segment, we'll take a closer look at the crucial role that branding and marketing play in the pricing of smartphones. The power of a brand's name and the way it is perceived by consumers can significantly impact the demand for their products. Let's explore some key aspects of branding and marketing that contribute to the increasing costs of smartphones. Brand recognition and trust. Established smartphone brands have spent years building a reputation for quality, reliability, and innovation. Consumers often associate a particular brand with certain values and features. As a result, they are more likely to choose products from a brand they trust, even if it comes with a higher price tag. The substantial investments made by these brands in creating a positive image directly influence the final cost of their smartphones. Advertising and endorsements. Brands allocate substantial budgets for advertising their latest smartphone models. You've probably seen those glossy TV commercials, online ads, and billboard displays showcasing the sleek design and cutting-edge features of the newest smartphones. Additionally, endorsements from celebrities and influencers further promote the brand and its products. All these marketing efforts add to the overall cost of the smartphones. Research and development, R&D. Part of a brand's marketing expenditure goes into research and development. Brands continuously work on improving their products and introducing innovative features that set them apart from the competition. This constant pursuit of innovation involves significant costs, which are eventually borne by the consumers when purchasing the latest models. Premium materials and design. Brands often use premium materials in the construction of their smartphones to create a sense of luxury and exclusivity. This can include materials like high-quality glass, ceramic, or metals. The use of premium materials, along with meticulous design and craftsmanship, enhances the overall appeal of the product. However, these premium materials contribute to the higher cost of manufacturing the smartphones. Limited editions and special editions. Some brands release limited editions or special editions of their smartphones, targeting collectors and enthusiasts. These exclusive variants may come with unique designs, custom packaging, or additional accessories. The limited availability and special features of these editions make them highly desirable to certain consumers, and they are often sold at a premium price. Global distribution and support. Smartphone brands invest in establishing a global distribution network and customer support infrastructure. This ensures that their products reach consumers worldwide, and users can access reliable support services when needed. The costs associated with maintaining such a vast network are factored into the pricing of the smartphones. Sustaining market position. In the fiercely competitive smartphone market, brands must constantly innovate and maintain their market position. This requires continuous investment in product development and marketing efforts to stay ahead of the competition. These costs are eventually passed on to the consumers in the form of higher smartphone prices. In conclusion, branding and marketing play a significant role in driving up the costs of smartphones. As brands invest in building their image, advertising their products, and pursuing innovation, these expenses are reflected in the final prices. While premium branding and marketing contribute to the perceived value of smartphones, they also contribute to the overall increase in their cost.